Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache on the device. So starting off, you want to power off the phone. So pull down the notification panel and you'll see this little power off button next to the gear icon. Now, mind you that power button doesn't do anything anymore, at least not associated with the powering off the phone. It only unlocks the screen. So once it's off, which will be indicated by the vibration, you want to hold volume up and power key. So power, volume up, hold both of those keys together till you see the Samsung logo. So right now, you can let go. And soon after, we should be in the recovery mode. Okay, so from here, you will use a volume up and down to navigate. So down to go down, volume up to go up. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition and confirm it with power key. And once more, select yes. And then at the bottom, you should see what cache wipe complete. And in recovery mode in the main menu, you should see reboot system now being selected by default. So all you need to do now is just press power key once more and the device will reboot. So once the device is completely back on, the process will be fully finished. And that would be basically how you would wipe cache on the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.